So quickly recap of the day. Um, yeah, like the day was not good for me. Mm, but the fact that I'm like, you can even look at this shit and just see that this shit will play. Like the drawn liquidity today was super. You know, it's like if we get this 2 minute, you can definitely take the shot. Yeah, it was super easy, super obvious. I took three trades today, two break evens and one loss. All of them were very good trades. Very good trades. Yeah, coming in today, I had a pretty bearish bias, or like condition-based bias, I would say. With we are having this unfilled hourly value gap above, coupled with this BPR that could tag us lower to this internal for our internal low, which was my drawn liquidity. So my main ideas where if we first come up, tap CE, get good PO3 to tag us lower to this internal low, or go lower, sweep this and get continuations higher, because the overall high time frame trend is just kind of more bullish up to these highs, leading up to these highs. So at market open, I was just waiting for one of those two things to happen. And yeah, we immediately accumulate for the first 15 minutes pretty much, then we just pump. We pump up. 945 macro was PO3 was pretty clean, because we just left. We traded relative equal highs, which is nice. It is not the best, but it is good. Then we came up, had a clean stop rate in here. I did not take anything here just because we didn't hit C of the gap. Then 10 AM opens, didn't manipulate slower, means stack PO3, which is very good. Which is in fact very good. Like, I gotta delete some of this shit, man, I'm not lying. Short back. So then we hit C of this gap, which was my scenario. We rejected this rejection block and had a 2 minute inversion to downside. I took my entry right there. We came a bit up. I was saying, yo, this shit gets stopped. I'm fine with it, you know. This shit is statistic based, so I'm not taking. I would be not mad at myself if we get stop right here. Then we just drill down. I watched break even a video from Ronan saying, yo, if you get a close below this sweep, you should go break even. Then what do? We get a massive ass trunk candle. I even had this on the capital.com on the 10-second chart. I don't know if it's still here. Like on the 1 second, I don't know if I can show it to you on the 1 second. 1 second, maybe I can go to it. Yeah, here you can see it perfectly. We just dumped up within 1 second and immediately pumped 35 points or more. Fucking gay. I got break even and it runs TP. Nice. Could have been my evil one trade away from being passed. I took an L. I took minus 600 on the 100k eval, because the trade closed me all the way up here, which is nice. I lost $600 in a break-even trade. I love trading so fucking much. Wow, thank you for everything. After I got pretty much stopped out, I deleted this off the chart. Then I saw, yo, fuck, we got this 4 minute by value gap. If we're gonna disrespect it, like the short idea is still very. The short idea is still about, you know, it's still about. We still have good targets. We still have our drawn liquidity intact on both paths. Plus ES turned bullish. I guess ES also turned bullish for this respect. No, more or less ES turned more or less bullish. But it didn't really matter. for this trade. Then yeah, we chopped around a bit, attacked my break even, I went break even, then we edged TP, accumulated for a bit, and it took me out on break even. So I'll delete this off the charts, 2 break evens already. I have a rule, if I take a loss I gotta go off the charts, which I'm gonna do after I took this trade. This was just based up in sponsored 5 minute. The 5 minute sponsor of the hourly. We just have very good barrage order flow. And we take C up the 5 minute. And got a close below here. So I was very confident just taking this shot, you know. He has also had a change in the state of delivery at this point. Only thing that is not good is the PO3. PO3 was... But the PO3 is good, you know, like we open high, manipulate into the C of this gap and take continuation floor. Maybe PO3 isn't the best, no, I'm not arguing. It is good. This is just probability-wise. Probability-wise, we just got raped right here. So take an L. But I think the drawn liquidity is still very obvious that we just got lower. Would have took no trade today, I'd probably take this 2 minute. Looks very good. Although I wouldn't do it because it's not my model, because we could close above C of the gap. But it is mechanically, it's okay. You also get good RR in this. So yeah, pretty unfortunate day. Like I would have just been off if this news kind of didn't rape me. But yeah, that's how it is sometimes. Lost 600 bucks on this, lost pretty much nothing on this. Lost 600 on this bitch and lost 1% on that bitch. That puts us at 100,160, meaning we need approximately 2 more trades to pass the eval. Let's just get the pace. I'm still satisfied how I played today. Maybe the third trade, like the third trade was definitely the, I wouldn't say it was the like one thing I want to emphasize is just that at this point, ES is, like we didn't sweep this internal. ES was kind of close sweeping this internal, which it did, I guess. I didn't even do it, so I don't know if this shit really matters. But yeah, I would just provide it, or like say it's probability based that we lost right here. This is a good setup, you know, it is a good setup. So let me just journal that real quick. Price was bearish. I don't know if price was right, but price should be right. Like we 100% just hit this fucking DOL. Follow my time from narrative, yes. And trade 1, break even. Trade 2, break even. Trade 3, loss. Fucking 3 trades on a fucking day. I'm still proud of how I played today. Like there was nothing I could do better. Maybe it was just to like chill on this, but even if I would not have took these 2 trades right here, would have still took this 5 in account. Like it's very good, man. The 5 in account is good. P&L, I think minus 4.7%. Yeah, but bro, it's news, you know, it is news. It is news. Rating setup 1, clear 8+7. Like there's nothing you can argue on this shit. Setup 2 is based off the same idea, it's very, very good. Setup 3 is just, I would just say it's an A setup because I'm not pulling it into here. I think you hear the fucking sirene. Oh god. Right. I don't know. So that puts us at, on the week, like this is unfortunate, you know, bro, like this shit is just fucking gay. This shit is just so fucking gay. Wait, like 2.3 or wait, let me just calculate it. Yeah, unfortunate day. Unfortunate day. Like, this 2 will for sure just play out, but I took my L, so I'm not allowed to take this trade. It's a very good trade. But yeah, let me just close the day, end the day right here. This is everything, bro. This is everything. This is everything. Unfortunate, but I'm still proud of play today. That's everything that counts. So let's just keep that pace going and yeah, grind.